All right, guys, back on the John Doc YouTube channel. We got an exciting video for you guys. I saw the title thumbnail. We are opening up our new HARTS charger. This has been a very controversial, political, talked about change in the Pro Mod series, because previously it's just been Pro Charger, and HARTS Charger is the new kid on the block, and they have come out swinging. Randy Weatherford has been cracking skulls, including mine. The past few races with the HARTS Charger on, and we finally got ours. So these things are bad to the bone. We're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna have like a three-part video. We're gonna do an unboxing, just showing you guys what we got. So we ordered one complete kit and one spare head unit, and then we have a line kit coming over the weekend. So today is Friday when we're filming this. We're gonna be running the car PDRA Galat next week. So that is September
11th through the 13th.
11th through the 13th. There we go. Thank you, CJ, for that. So I haven't done an unboxing video in quite some time. I mean, this is bringing me back to like the first few years of my YouTube journey. And we've had some really cool stuff come in. I've just never done an unboxing. We thought no better time than now to do the unboxing. So these are, like I said, you got one complete kit. So we got the head unit, we got a charge pipe, we got a mount kit with a gear drive, and then we have a secondary head unit. We got some shirts. So we're gonna open this stuff up and show you guys what we have. And I know everyone's here because they wanna see the blower. So off rip, we already opened this up because we had to take a peek at it. And this thing right here is bad to the bone. So come on, Dave, get in close, and you guys are gonna see it here live. This is the HARTS Charger. Look at that thing. Look at it. It obviously fit in the box a little bit better since we tampered with it, but this thing right here is bad to the bone. First thing you notice, the size, impressive.
What?
It's large.
What do you mean by that?
I've never seen one.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
I don't think it's gonna fit.
No, no comment. No comment. We're gonna choose our words wisely here. This thing is substantially larger than the blower that was on the car, just physical footprint wise. Measurement wise, still 140 millimeters, still class legal. So we're gonna pop this sucker out. We got goodies. We got goodies in the box. Jesus. I think this thing is so fast that the guys at HARTS sent us some flight gear. So we'll pause this. We'll put our flight gear on because this thing's gonna take flight, and then we'll start opening up the rest of the boxes. All right, now that we're all suited up, we can continue with the unboxing. Look at this head unit right here. Like I said, 140 millimeters, so just like everything else. Look at the gear drive on it. This thing is absolute art. Absolute art. I mean, this thing is bad to the bone. One thing that's different about this than the Pro Charger is this uses engine oil, right? So the Pro Charger obviously used a contained oil system.
Sorry.
Fog it up. It used a self-contained oil system, so you'd have to change the blower oil every single round. This thing is, hold it together, Dave, damn it.
It's so funny.
This thing here uses engine oil, so you have a feed, essentially like a turbo, right? It just runs off the front of the motor. You got a turbo feed, we wouldn't call it turbo feed, and then you got a drain that goes back to the engine. So that's pretty nice. And the big talk about this is the longevity. They're saying this thing, hold on, let me readjust here. I'm fogging up. They're saying this thing will last much longer. We're talking 50 plus runs, where before we were pulling off 20, 25 runs, and that's just the nature of the beast with it. We had 4 blowers because we knew that they were going to cycle out. So getting twice the lifespan with this blower, we had to buy half as many. So that's pretty nice. All right, so we got the head unit. That thing's pretty badass. Came with a charge pipe. Hand that to me there. CJ, you fogging up too, my boy?
Are you guys breathing on your
zoom in on
eyes?
him. This thing right here.
Fog up.
I think this came from Larry Larson. I think they made this, but we were able to contact Hearts and just get everything from them. So this thing right here is pretty nice. Comes with its own gear drive, fuel pump drive, the whole nine. So that's what we're gonna open up next. All right, so this one here, what do we got? This one is mount kit. All right.
Make space up here.
We got all of our clamps.
Nice.
This is very nice. Some nice looking clamps.
Lots of clamps. More clamps?
So this is your coupler, right? So this goes onto the balancer. You got your rubber, I don't know, bushings in there. And then, damn, look at the hey, look at the output shaft size difference.
Yeah, it's huge.
That is massive. That is massive. So that is very nice.
Oh,
Pretty
yeah.
cool. So what you do is you'll take this apart, you'll bolt this to the balancer shell, and then this will then bolt to it, and then your gear drive slides in there. So that's very nice. We got a bunch of, I don't know what you call these, isolators. There's a billet piece, that's spline, right? You got your plastic couplers. All right, dude, I can't do it no more. We got some beefy O-rings.
Dang.
We got some,
Damn.
Now, you know your O-rings are serious when they smack the
That's
table.
nuts.
yeah.
Look how that's different.
Look how big that groove is. Yeah,
Yeah.
no small O-ring. Very
Typically, they use a real thin O-ring
Mhm.
and a small groove. This
That's
thing's
nice.
massive.
Okay, all right. Some more ARP hardware. We'll figure out where all that goes as we install it. These are your mounting brackets that go on the motor. One is going to be your crank pickup. The other one is going to be your timing pointer. So just like the Pro Charger stuff, very similar. Obviously, just a different design. I mean, this stuff looks badass.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, this is the volute for sure. This right here, which is a lot of people don't know, is the volute, the velocity stack that's on the front, right? If it falls off, you're gonna drop 3 or 4 pounds of boost just by having this on there. This is straight up science.
Ooh,
And
interesting design.
different design. Different design.
Wow.
So this is actually, and this is one thing that
Ooh, V-bands on.
I don't want to, we can't compare too much. We just got to talk about it. This is very nice, dude. Look at that. Much shorter in depth. But look at that. Right in place.
Dang.
Very nice. Hey, look at the fitment on the front cover here.
Dang. That's
That's
freaking
super
nice,
nice.
dude.
So
Holy smokes.
before where it'd just be
Yeah.
perfectly straight, it's all sloped in there. Damn, brother. This is nice.
Yeah, it is.
You know what's crazy is I'm a turbo guy too.
This is a turbo.
That's what's crazy.
It looks
Hearts is a turbo company, right? This is a Hearts Charger, but they made many of turbochargers. So I feel like we're good. And then we got blow off valves.
Hey, Turbo Smart.
Turbo Smart blow off valves. Again, turbo guys. I gotta love them.
Yeah, I like that.
These are nice units. I'm very familiar with these. We've run these on a number of different cars. They already have the flange welded right to the pipe. Clamp them right on there. Good to go. I mean, these right here. Oh, they say Hearts Charger on them.
That's
too.
in
Ooh,
the biz.
sick.
Yeah, I run all of the Turbo Smart stuff on everything. When it comes to wastegates, blow-off valves, I don't think you find a better one than Turbo Smart, and they're a great company to work with. We've been working with them for years, so big shout out to them. A big shout out to Hearts for using quality products. And what are we really lacking? Just the gear drive.
Yeah.
So that's the mount kit. That's what mounts to the motor. And then the gear drive mounts to that. This mounts to the gear drive. So this will be our gear drive with our fuel pump drive. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Dude, there's a lot of chunks of billet that make all this. Damn, this is gangster. All right, so here's your gear drive. Unit. I'm dying to put it in there.
That's what she said. Or he said.
All right, so here we go. This is the gear drive. This obviously splines into what I call like the blower adapter for the balancer. Big spline here, very badass. Already, dude, and it's like the little things, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this comes from the manufacturer. They don't have to put a MP or they don't have to put a push lock fitting in here. They could just leave it threaded and tell you to go get one. But this right here, like quality stuff when it comes with everything that you need. And they already put it in there. Like I've been saying this for years. Whenever you buy parts, like especially race car stuff, a lot of stuff you'll buy it and it just won't come with shit. This comes with absolutely everything.
Is that no more belt drive?
So, all right, there are all your components. We got, and then we got some shirts too. Shout out to all the guys at HARTS, Dustin, everyone out there. And we got a shirt.
Nice.
We're wearing this to the winner circle. Hell yeah. So, very, very nice kit here. Extremely badass. We've already seen the results firsthand. Well, I have from my seat. You guys saw it from the starting line, but
Watch that shit live.
yeah, this shit, rock and roll. I mean, it's bad to the bone. It comes very complete with everything, and I'm very excited about it. So big shout out to really everyone involved. This is bad to the bone. Very excited about the HARTS charger. This is an unboxing video. If you guys are interested, looking for one, you guys want to put one on your car, definitely, just from the unboxing stuff, we're highly impressed here, and we're excited to get it on the car. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. We're gonna do another video of a comparison, just the head units, right? Because I don't have another gear drive here. The other car is at the shop. Yeah, I mean, this thing is bad to the bone. We're excited to get it on, and we're excited to hopefully go a little bit faster. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in a HARTS charger, check them out. I'll put their link in the description below. They make turbos. Now they make chargers. They'll go really fast. So there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next upload.